I'm actually pausing for a moment because I wanna talk from the heart, not that I'm reading from the script or something. I don't like sending messages written from script. So I'll be actually practically right. Being that as it may. So guys, listen to me. My mentors have said and defined what is life. What is life exactly? Life is not what you do. Life is actually not what happens when you do. Life happens when you've accepted it from the spiritual realm, mind, body, and soul. Right? Mara, that's actually beside the point. I've been thinking about my own economics. And, I've got my kids, the little ones. I call them my monkeys. So when I'm thinking my economics, I'm thinking my monkeys have got something that's no, have got nothing that's taught us school, which is entrepreneurship.